Harish. I'm 9 years old. I'm studying grade 4. In calendar from 1900 to 2100, if you ask any date with month and year, I will say the day. Amma, you can ask some questions in calendar.
Can I ask from 1908?
Yes.
Okay. 1908 February 14.
It's Friday.
Okay. Then 2000 from 2090, can I ask 2090?
Yes.
Okay. From 2090 March 4.
I will calculate.
Yes.
Can you say the date again?
March 4.
It's Saturday.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Solar System's home.
Milky Way galaxy.
Object lost in the status 2006.
Pluto.
Number of moon in Mars.
2.
4 moons of Jupiter discovered by.
Galileo Galilei.
Third brightest object in the sky.
Venus.
Closest planet to the Sun.
Mercury.
Largest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter.
Morning star planet.
Venus.
Time for sun rays to reach Earth.
8 minutes.
Orbital period of the moon.
27 days.
Halley's comet visible on Earth again.
2061.
Jupiter's 4 largest moons.
Callisto, Europa, Ganymede and Io.
First person to set on the moon.
Neil Armstrong.
5 dwarf planets.
Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, Eris and Pluto.
Red planet.
Mars.
Third planet from the Sun.
Earth.
The moon is the Earth dash.
Natural satellite.
Planet with no satellites.
Mercury and Venus.
Dwarf planet with 2 moons.
Haumea.
Titan is the moon of.
Saturn.
Uranus have dash moons.
27.
Ganymede belong to which planet?
Jupiter.
Uranus visited by what spacecraft?
Voyager 2.
What protects Earth from meteoroids and radiation?
Asteroids.
Planet with speedy winds.
Neptune.
Planet with fastest rotation.
Jupiter.
1 year on Jupiter.
12 Earth years.
Densest planet.
Earth.
Planet has most volcanoes.
Venus.
Number of moons in Earth.
1.
Largest star within solar system.
Sun.
Age of the Sun.
Roughly 4.6 billion years ago.
Solar eclipse lasts till.
About 7.5 minutes.
Comet made of.
Ice, rocks and dust.
Asteroid referred to.
Minor planet.
Color of the Sun.
White.
How many Earths could fit inside the Sun?
1 million.
Asteroid belt located.
Between Mars and Jupiter.
Mars sensed color.
Blue.
Sun's outermost atmosphere.
Corona.
What causes the moon to shine?
Reflection of the sun.
How many constellation?
88.
Common type of star in Milky Way.
Red dwarf stars.
Strong gravitational pull that light can even escape.
Black holes.
Moons currently in our solar system.
181.
Uranus was discovered by.
William Herschel.
That's a cluster of millions of stars.
Galaxy.
Solar cycle.
The polarity reverse of the sun.
Shooting star.
Meteors.
Elliptical orbit.
Oval orbit.
2 main gases of the Sun.
Hydrogen, helium.
Largest storm located in which planet?
Jupiter.
Biggest asteroid.
Ceres.
India's first satellite.
Aryabhatta.
Google and NASA identify 2 planets.
Kepler 80G, Kepler 90I.
Joint venture of India and France.
Military Missile Project.
ISRO was formed in.
1969.
Aryabhatta was launched in.
1975.
First mission to study Mars.
NASA.
Venus's severe temperatures caused by dash effect.
Greenhouse effect.
1 Jupiter day.
9 hours 50 minutes.
Farthest planet from the Sun.
Neptune.
Sunspot cycle is.
11 years.
Andromeda galaxy.
Spiral.
Unlucky Apollo lunar landing cancelled after oxygen tank exploded.
Apollo 13.
Charon is the moon of.
Pluto.
What is the Vostok 1?
The first manned spacecraft.
Heliocentric means around.
The Sun.
Titan, Neptune's moon, and ocean made of a liquid. What is this liquid?
Nitrogen.
Star nearest to the Sun.
Proxima Centauri.
Name given to very bright meteoroids.
Fireballs.
What gas is the main component of the atmosphere of Mars.
Carbon dioxide.
The Orion Nebula is a good example of
Emission of nebulas.
last planet Voyager 2 visited.
Neptune.
The study of evolution of the universe.
Cosmology.
According to Kepler's law, all orbits of the planets are.
Ellipses.
Which type of star is maintained by the pressure of an electron gas?
White dwarf.
Last man moon flight was made in which year?
1972.
Planet with 98 degrees tilt.
Uranus.
The period from one full moon to the next is.
29.5 days.
Name the astronomer who discovered Mars orbit the Sun in an elliptical orbit.
Kepler.
Neptune is closest in size of which planet?
Uranus.
Brightest star in the sky.
Sirius.
More bright stars than the other constellation.
Orion.
The pulsar is actually a.
Neutron star.
How many people have set foot on the moon?
12.
Laika, the first living creature to orbit the Earth. What type of animal?
Dog.
Latin name for the lunar seas.
Maria.
The first man to make systematic use of telescope.
Galileo.
The Magellanic Cloud is a dash.
Galaxy.
Halley's Comet has an average period of.
76 years.
Which planet has the shortest year?
Mercury.
Rocks that do not get burnt up in the atmosphere.
Meteorite.
Common featured gas giants have.
Rings.
During what phase visual lunar eclipse happened?
Full moon.
Common name of aurora borealis.
Northern lights.
Full areas on the surface of the sun called.
Sunspots.
The moon is denser than the earth.
Falls.
The diameter of the earth is approximately.
13,000 kilometers.
The average density of earth.
5.5 times the density of water.
A color which is bent least passing through a prism.
Red.
Lowest density planet.
Saturn.
First artificial earth satellite.
Sputnik.
A star-like object with a very large redshift.
Quasar.
The mean distance earth from sun's AU.
1.
Process produce energy from star.
Nuclear fusion.
Kepler's second law is known as.
The law of areas.
Kepler's second law deals with.
The speed.
Kepler's third law is known as.
The law of periods.
Kepler's first law is known as.
The law of orbits.
While Earth rotates on its axis.
Foucault pendulum.
Neil Armstrong made his historical walk on which year?
1969.
Cassini's division.
Between two rings of Saturn.
First man to classify stars.
Hipparchus.
Summer solstice.
June 21.
In which season constellation Pegasus is normally viewed?
Autumn.
Milky Way galaxy contains dark stars.
200 billion.
Refracting telescope contains as.
Lenses.
Spectral line splitting of magnetic fields.
Zeeman effect.
How many light years across Milky Way?
100,000 years.
Sally K. Ride.
The first American woman in space.
Jupiter has a mass dash.
Greater than the combined masses of all the planets.
Earth is farthest from the sun season.
Summer.
So 2.7 Kelvin cosmic radiation.
Radio wavelength.
A star collapsing to form a black hole.
Is strongly redshift.
Spectral region is impossible for astronomer to observe through cloud.
Radio.
Reflecting power of an object.
Albedo.
Visual aurora.
Ionosphere.
This yellow-white spectral F-type star.
Canopus.
Two heavenly bodies occupy the same longitude.
Conjunction.
Sun's mass has been converted to energy.
0.001%. 1,000th of a percent.
Mean distance of a planet from the sun.
Square of the period.
Diameter of a Venus.
12,104 kilometer.
Diameter of a Mars.
6,779 kilometer.
What thing in moon is very harmful?
Regolith.
Mars has which type of ice?
Carbon dioxide.
Mars temperature.
Minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
Pluto has a heart-like structure called.
Tombow Regio.
Largest dwarf planet.
Pluto.
Most massive dwarf planet.
Eris.
Sun's core temperature.
27 million degrees Fahrenheit.
The coldest temperature on Earth.
Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius.
1 day of Venus equals.
243 Earth days.
Mars lost its temperature because of dash.
Solar winds.
The planet with the second highest density is.
Mercury.
The first space mission to send color images of Venus.
Venera 13.
Along with Neil Armstrong, the astronaut who went to moon was.
Buzz Aldrin.
Dash is in the center of the galaxy.
Galactic center.
The name of the supermassive black hole in the center of the galaxy is?
Sagittarius C.
Which planet is the faint star in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Harish from grade 4. I have secured a record on Kalam's world record for answering calendar from 1900 to 2100 and answering 150 questions from the solar system. I am sincerely thankful for Kalam's world record for giving me this opportunity. I am also thankful to my mom who always supports me. I am also thankful to my dad who never lets me give up, and I am also thankful to all my family members who gives me blessing. Once again, I am thankful to Kalam's world record for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.